and show you what they are doing. So here's the braided bun.
So I'm just pinning it, and I hope y'all were able to see that I didn't secure it with a ponytail, an ouchless band, or anything like that.
Okay, so no band, right. no rubber band.
No rubber band, no ouchless, because you can anchor it without that. You don't have to have that.
Can you show? Yeah, show that again. So you braided.
Right, I braided it all.
Braided up in the back.
Sides,
and what's going on in the middle?
Nothing.
Kind of open it.
Nothing's going on in the middle.
Okay. All right. So you see how she just parted it all the way up, and then here in the middle, you basically got a part in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So it's cornrowed up, twisted out on the edges or on the ends. There's no rubber band.
No.
So we're showing you how to do a rubber bandless bun.
Yeah, so usually people secure it with because it gives you a little more security. But the reality is it also gives you more tension. So her hair's already braided up.
Okay.
So that's a little bit of tension. But then you put the ponytail with it. And then you bun it down. And then you put the pins in it. It's
a lot of tension.
So with the dancers, I had a lot of dancer clients, including Gabrielle. And I always wanted to tell the parents, take the bun down when she's not dancing. And I really wish the dancing companies would change their requirement for the hair. Because long term, these are little girls down, but these are going to be grown women. And because of all the harshness that they've done to their hair, whatever that style is, it's a lot.
Okay.
So I don't secure her hair because she needs it now for 3 days. I don't secure her hair with a hair tie, because that's going to increase. And you can look at the difference between how it's laying now versus if I put a ponytail.
Yeah.
And it's going to be tight and smooth and ready to go, but at what cost?
Yeah. Okay. So you got to think long term, y'all. So bunless or rubber bandless bun.
So I'm just taking these and the twist and actually just twisting them into the bun.
Into a bun.
Because
y'all see what she's doing? Y'all got any questions about this? Put them in the comments,
they just
okay?
want a bun. They don't want...
All right? That's really creative. Wow, y'all see that?
So I'm just going to take it.
It's a bun.
And secure it. And she
bun without rubber bands.
This is a bun.
Okay? Isn't that neat, y'all?
And I feel better about this bun.
Put some hearts if that is neat. And you didn't know you could do that. Okay? So now we're putting...
And I always
bobby pins
ask Gabrielle to tell me if she can feel the bobby pins, because what you don't want is for this to be jabbing in her scalp the whole time she's got that bun. Okay.
So ask your daughter if those bobby pins are in her scalp.
And then I do this like a push down test, like if she was she had to lay on this part, to make sure that the pins aren't sticking like that as well.
Okay.
If you could see.
All right. Y'all got any questions about that? So she's got a bun. But we didn't have to strain her hair with rubber bands or ouchless band or a bally twist or anything like that. So she just kind of rolled the twist into a bun, and now we're adding bobby pins. Hair pins. Bobby pins are those straight ones, right?
Hair pins open, the bobby pins are tight ones.
Okay. Is one better than the other one?
Yes. For buns, the hair pins is the best one because it's open and you can push it in.
Hair pins, okay.
Yes.
So listen, I hope y'all taking notes. Hair pins, not bobby pins.
I'll send a picture, put a picture on the group.
Okay. Hair pins, not bobby pins. Wider bobby pins. Let me get another close up of one.
So kind of.
This one. Y'all see
these
what?
Are some short ones.
Short.
So they got short ones. They got
hair
long
pins.
Ones.
Okay.
Yep.
Hair pins, not bobby pins.
And the key is asking her, can you feel the pin?
Gabby, can you feel the pin? All right.
And then you do this push down test. If the bun was back here, she would be laying on that, so you wouldn't want her to have that kind of pressure.
Okay. Just post that in the comment. No pressure, no pain. All right.
Because I've taken down a bun before, and then I'm like, why is she bleeding?
Oh, Jesus.
Not Gabrielle.
Yeah.
But because the hairpin was in the wrong place, and it was actually sticking in her scalp over the course of time.
Ew.
So that's a whole nother situation we don't want to talk about today.
Wow.
I won't talk about that.
I've seen some things.
I bet you have. All right. Y'all got any questions about that before we hop into the topic?
Yeah, we haven't even had the
I know, right? All right, so